Yes. Hello. Welcome. Learn today we will the fundamentals of... Hello. Oh, my wife it is. Hello. Hello, honey. Yeah. Yeah. Wonderful that is. Wonderful. Yes. Good news. Bye-bye. Pregnant she is.
Yokoso, Taz desu.
James Dis. I'm James. This is Taz. Welcome to the shop. Today we're clothing Baby Yoda. It's the end of the day. We're just kind of getting this part out with it, and we're going to go out for a beer. So, quick and easy. Enjoy it. Fair warning, it's 25 minutes, sped up at 700%. So, it's still probably too slow because it's a lot of just patterning fabric and then sewing it together. But it's the full process. And then a little bit of an explanation at the end. You know, if it's too slow, fast forward or skip forward, whatever you want to do. But, you know, it's good enough for government work. Either way, if you like what you see, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Subscribe. Are you subscribed?
No.
Good. I'm subscribed. I can't subscribe. Yeah. Anyway, share it with your friends. Enjoy. See you on the flip side.
Please listen carefully.
Now there are 2 layers to his thing. One that goes on the inside, and you can see the inside of his sleeves and his cuffs, and then the outside. Now, I think what it's supposed to be is like a lamb's wool kind of thing, and it's called Sherpa fleece is what it is. Look it up on the internet, say look for Sherpa fleece. Now what you want to get is a polyester suede bonded Sherpa fleece. That's what you want. And my wife has a coat made out of this stuff, and I'm tearing it apart. She got it online from like China for like 20 bucks. So, well, Nissan yen, 2,000 yen. At any rate, all that being said, there are 2 versions of this, and I know not everybody has access to Sherpa fleece. So, this version is the outside version. Now he has darts on the outside, and the top of the sleeve is sewed with the dart on the out, but this is folded in. So then there is a fold of fabric above that, and then there's the collar. The sleeves are what you sew last. You close it all up with this, because this on the actual prop on the hero, what we call the one that you film, that costume, this is the roughest edge there is. I mean, it looks like it's sewn together 3 different ways. So this is how you close the whole thing up, and it just makes it really easy, as you saw, to put the sleeves on. This front is supposed to be a button, I think. I've put Velcro in it for ease because he's a puppet, and truth being, right now, as you saw a moment ago when I was putting it on the model, the clay sculpture, to fit it, because this is a harsh fabric. Now the polyester suede is not. That's beautifully soft. But this will actually scratch the clay, and I don't want to have to refix anything on the model right yet. So obviously you're not going to fit a jacket on him with clay arms sticking up, because you can't get it around it. But I have to take the arms off anyway to mold him. and the head, he's gonna decapitate him soon. But then it closes up like this, and then this last bit folds over, and then you have your Baby Yoda thing. Now if you want to, you can put a button in here. I would hot glue that and then do that in there. At any rate, that fits all in here. Now there's one last thing, because there is an inner in this, like I said, and you can see it here, and you can see it in here around his neck, because there's the inner part of this is also now what I've done, there's an inner collar on this. Now I just took a piece of fabric, and just a straight piece of fabric, and just sewed it right down and closed it up, and then I actually hot glued it in here. And the reason I did that is because you don't see, well, you do, maybe that's what this is out here, but you don't really see another sew line, a hem in there, so I just hot glued it. The reason you don't see that is because I think it's an inner. I think he's wearing 2 layers of clothes. So right now we're just gonna sew up this sleeves, and Bob's your uncle. Well, I told you we were going for a beer after work. Hope you enjoyed the show. The video. Yeah, that. Come back for more. See you next time.